The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to use the Camera Calibration web tool. To start the Camera Calibration tool, click Camera Calibration button. Then we need to enter the device's IP and proceed to click Next. This step checks if the IP is valid. Important to note, the entered IP needs to be from the device to which the camera is connected, not your local IP. The next step is to enter the device's credentials. Please add the user and password. Proceed to click Next. Let's configure the required parameters. First, set the image resolution. Enter the width and height values that match your camera's supported resolution. Next, specify the video device. If you're using the default camera, you can leave the default. Now, choose the capture duration. This determines how long the system will record images for calibration. Then, select the output folder. Write down the path to where you want the captured data to be saved. After that, configure the calibration board settings. Enter the number of inner corners along the X and Y axes of your checkerboard pattern. Also, provide the checker size, which is the size of each square in millimeters. The default values are set according to the calibration pattern provided to the documentation. Finally, select the calibration model. Choose Brown Conradi for standard lenses or fisheye if you are using a fisheye camera. Once everything is set, click Next to proceed. Next, to capture samples, you will need your checkerboard pattern to collect samples. Hold the board in front of the camera and move it slowly to different positions and angles according to the GIF. When you're ready to begin capturing, click Next. Now let's prepare for the calibration capture. You will use your checkerboard pattern to collect samples. Make sure the pattern is fully visible in the frame and try to cover as much of the image area as possible. Avoid sudden movements and keep the board steady for a moment in each position so the system can detect it properly. This step helps the system understand how the camera sees the pattern from different viewpoints, which is essential for accurate calibration. As you can notice, the capture is complete. The system is now safely finalizing the capture process. You can click Cancel to stop the process if needed. The system is now processing your captured data. It is analyzing the images to identify valid calibration samples. This may take a few moments. Once complete, you'll be able to review and approve the selected samples before continuing. Now you can review the collected samples. These are the images captured during the acquisition step. The system has pre-selected the samples it considers valid for calibration. You can click on individual images to select or deselect them. Use Select All or Clear Selection to quickly adjust your choices. For best results, keep images where the checkerboard is clearly visible, well-positioned, and covers different areas and angles of the frame. Keep in mind that for accurate calibration, make sure you select at least 30 valid samples. Once you are satisfied with your selection, click Next to proceed. You can also navigate through pages or go back if needed. The system is now performing the camera calibration. This step may take a few moments. Here you can see the results using the approved samples. The results include the reprojection error, or RMS value, which indicates the accuracy of the calibration. Lower values generally mean better results. All results have been saved to the specified output folder. The selected calibration model and the computed camera and distortion matrices are also displayed. These parameters can be used to correct image distortion in your application. Click Exit to finish and close the tool.